Hello, I'm Tim Beggins, president of Elk Trading Company. In today's weekly recap of natural gas prices are lower by 2 cents down to 306. Looking at the chart today on barchart.com, we see that prices continue to threaten the psychological support near $3. Below that would be support at the key reversal at 280. So far today, prices are just holding slightly weaker as a reaction to the lack of weather forecast support and a storage natural gas report that was just minus 30 BCF, although expectations were a little bit higher. Turning our attention to the weekly chart, we see that natural gas prices continue to have another down week. In this case, we're looking for support again at the psychological $3 level, and then below that at the key reversal on November the 4th at 280. Turning a look at the weather, continues to be warm. This is the 1 week anomaly from CFS off of NOAA website. This is for December the 6th through the 12th and continues to see above normal temperatures right here in the upper part of the US. Looking forward for week 2, slightly colder temperatures are starting to try and come in. We have normal temperatures mainly across the eastern United States, but the west remains warm. Looking at week 3, warmer temperatures continue to prevail all the way through from December the 20th, almost past Christmas to December 26th. And looking forward through the end of the year, it's warmer still. This period takes us all the way out until 2025. Taking a look at the global picture, we've got much below normal temperatures really centered in eastern Siberia all the way through Canada, but it lacks the mechanism to come down into the major heating centers of the United States and Europe. Let's take a look at US. So far, we continue to get glancing blows of colder weather to come in from Canada and dip as far south as Georgia. But right now, it seems that most of this cold air is still pooling in Canada and lacks the mechanism to drive that much below normal Arctic wet air into the US. Looking forward, we see another glancing blow around February the 13th, and then it pools again back into Canada, and temperatures remain fairly normal. Europe, the situation remains pretty much the same. There's some cooler weather right now in parts of Europe, mainly around Switzerland and northern Italy and Turkey. We do see some cooler weather coming through around the 11th, 12th, 13th, and 14th. And then cooler weather starts to pull back into Russia and really bring just normal temperatures throughout the region. In Asia, the story is much the same. Cooler weather around Beijing and parts of Japan, but so far it really does not descend too far south into major population centers of eastern China. Looking forward, we see that that cold air is still building up in eastern Siberia, but it still lacks the mechanism to pull south. Taking a look at stocks, oil and gas producers had a down week, with the exception of Vista Energy, a oil and gas producer with focus in Latin America, and Gulfport Energy. Looking to the midstream companies, mostly a down week as well. The positive side of the equation are all LNG producers such as Cheniere, Golar, and Accelerate Energy. The one exception here is DHT, which is a tanker company. So again, recapping what's happening in natural gas, prices are down about 2.5 cents right now to 305.20. We are on the defensive. Things continue to look negative, and we're looking for weather before we see any upside potential. If weather forecasts do change to the colder regimes, we'll look to see if resistance is tested at 314.40 and 321. Thanks for listening. Please share your thoughts. We hit the like and subscribe button below. We'll see you soon.